Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the Fab Fit Fun subscription boxes. I have the Spring 2020 and Summer 2020 boxes to unbox with you. And I am new to Fab Fit Fun actually, so I've done several different subscription services over the years. And this is the first time I've subscribed to Fab Fit Fun. My husband did an annual subscription for me for Mother's Day. And so far, I have to say, I'm really, really loving it. So the thing that makes Fab Fit Fun different than other subscription boxes I've been a part of is the customization. So you can order one box at a time for $49.99. They come out every quarter. Or you can order a year at a time. So 4 boxes for $179, I think it is. So you save like $20. But if you get the annual subscription, you get to customize 5 of the 7 or 8 products that are in your box. So essentially, there's a window of opportunity. It's a couple months before they ship the box out. If you're an annual member, they open up the, they show you what's in the box. And in each category, you get to pick from like 3 to 5 products. So they'd say like, okay, here's category 1. Here are the 3 to 5 products you can pick from. And you would say, I want this one in my box. But then if you're like, gosh, there's like 2 things I really want, you would add one to your box and then you can add on the additional one for a cost, but it's like an additional $15 or something. So you can get these products that are pretty expensive for like a $15 add-on cost to your box. But be careful because that's where it can get a little bit pricey. The other thing I wanted to mention is that there's like sales throughout the year as well. Like right now they did a Kate sale, which was Kate Somerville. And then like the Exfoliate skincare stuff. So, well, yeah, Kate Somerville and then Kate Spade. They had Kate Spade stuff in that sale. I didn't purchase anything, but it was like super great prices. And then I think that's it. And then you can add on to the boxes too. So you can like add on in the categories and then there's additional things that aren't even part of the box that you can add on for an additional price. So I have the, again, spring and summer box here. For the spring, I signed up towards the end of that window. So it shipped and then almost right away I got to pick out my summer box and then that shipped pretty shortly after. And that's why I have the 2 together. So let's just jump into it. And then I will link down below the website as well as they gave me a code that like, I think you get $10 off if you use my link or something to sign up for it. I would love it if you did that. If you don't want to, then you can just sign up for it straight through the website. I think I get like some money towards buying some of their products online as well. So here's the spring box, super cute. They send it to your house. And the first things, I actually have some of the stuff on. So this is one of the necklaces, or this is the necklace that came in that box. And it was, you got to choose from this and several other products, but I chose the necklace just because it was super pretty. And it's like a coin necklace, and these are on trend right now and all the rage. And then I got this cute, like, flowy, it's supposed to be kind of like a cardigan, but I use it more of like a robe at night and in the mornings just because it's so like oversized and flowy. It has pockets. Really pretty. I love these kinds of things at night. And anyway, so I was happy to pick this and put it in my box. So it came with the necklace, this guy, and you get at least $200 value in each box, if not more. So then it also comes with like a magazine that tells you about the products that are in each box. So I also got these silicone straws. So it came with 4 straws, different colors, and then a cute little carrying case. So it comes with this little case that you can bend the straws, put them in here, like put a straw or 2, and then throw it in your purse. And then these super fun colors for spring, and then straw cleaner, which is awesome. So I'm excited to have that. I don't know where I'm going to put this stuff. I guess I'll put it back in the box. And then this was a product I didn't have a choice on because they were sold out of the other things. But this is probably what I would have chosen anyway in that category. And it's the Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. So Murad's a really good skincare line that I've used in the past. So I'm excited to try this out. I love trying different skincare and beauty products. It's like a plastic bottle, but you get, how big is this? An ounce? Yeah. So I'm excited to try that. Already between the necklace, the cardigan, the straws, like the Murad, it's awesome. And then there's still a ton more, or a few more things. I got this brush. This was one of the products that you could choose from, and I actually needed a new paddle brush, so I thought this was super fun, like the rose gold bronzy color of this brush. Really pretty. Happy to have this. And then looks like there's 3 more products in here. So this is the Avene O Thermal Spring Water. So it's just like a refresher spring water spray for your face. I love essences and sprays for your face, especially in the summertime, really all year long. But yeah, happy to have this and try this out. And then this Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It's by This Works. It's just a lotion, and it smells kind of like lavender, so it's supposed to calm you. So I probably wouldn't have picked this one, but I'm always happy to try a lotion. And then this is the Yoga Cooling Spot Therapy with Peppermint and Green Tea. It's a temple rub for clarity and peace of mind. So it says, inhale, exhale, and apply. Cooling spot therapy helps to relieve tension and stress after a long day. Find more mental focus, calm, and clarity while resting your entire mind, body, and soul. Made with essential oils and natural ingredients. Apply a small amount to the temples or the back of your neck. So that's kind of nice. So yeah, these would probably be the 2 products that I wouldn't necessarily like have picked for myself, but with all of the other things, these are just bonuses, and I'm happy to have them and to try. And so I think that's why I'm loving Fab Fit Fun so far, because you do get to customize it and pick out the products that you really love and you really want. So that is my spring box. Now, for summer, I added on a few things. So let's do the add-ons first. So in the categories where I got to choose, I chose a product and then I paid additional money to add another product from that category. So in one of the categories, I added this on. It's the R&Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. And I think they've had these in other boxes before. So maybe if you've been a subscriber for a while, maybe you already got it. So you could have either repurchased it. I think I paid like an additional $15 for these. So I thought that was a great deal for a higher end shampoo and conditioner. I've never used anything from R&Co, but I've heard really good things, especially about their dry shampoo. People love it. So I'm excited to have those. And then I also got this Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Drybar. So that was an option. Again, in a category that I wanted to add something else, so I just paid the additional, again, $15 to add this on. And then they have a bunch of other items on sale, like add-ons that you can add into your box for really inexpensive. So I got these Pixie Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloths. I love cleansing cloths. I usually use the Kirkland brand, but I wanted to give the Pixie a try because I like their toner. And these were $5, originally $10, so it was 50% off. And then I got the dry shampoo from Rock Your Hair Spray It Clean. I use dry shampoo like every other day on my hair, and I've never tried this brand before that I remember. So happy to have that. And then I also got this other leave-in conditioner by Foxy Bay, and it's Flamingo. Flamingo is what it says, and it has a flamingo on it. So yeah. It says our unique formula works to protect and strengthen your hair while making it more manageable. Just work in a few pumps into your hair before styling. So I'll give it a try. I usually do like a leave-in conditioner every time I take a shower and wash my hair. So those are the extras I got for the summer box. Now here is the summer box. Super pretty. I love the boxes themselves. And I haven't really dug into this one yet. So this is the first time I'm actually kind of looking at this stuff. You get a $50 credit towards Bright Cellars Discover Wine You Love. Here's the Fab Fit Fun little catalog. $90 off Green Chef, the #1 meal kit for eating well, plus free shipping. So if I wanted to try Green Chef, I could use that. And then see, it's like nicely packaged. I'm gonna tear into it. Okay, so where to start? First things first. I got some Tom's sunglasses, and I wasn't like, the jury was out for me. I don't usually like cat eye, but I know cat eye is kind of the thing right now. And I just loved that these were all matte black, and I thought it'd be kind of fun and different for the summertime. So, yeah, I'm excited to have these. Again, cat eye is not typically my style. I like more like the squared off look, but to come in my subscription box, I thought I would try it out. So I got Tom's sunglasses, and this Winky Lux eyebrow pencil. I love eyebrow pencils, so I'm happy to have this one. And this is in the color Universal. It says Universal Brow Pencil, so it's like kind of a brown, dark brown color. Happy to have that. Right now I'm using the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. I've used the Anastasia eyebrow pencil. I've used the Maybelline, so never tried that one. I got this Spongelli hand cream in coconut verbena. So these two products right here, I can smell it through here. It smells really nice. The brow pencil and this hand lotion were the two products that I didn't get to customize, but I'm happy to have both of these, and I'll use them for sure. And then the other products I got in the box were this Terramare, I think that's how you say it, aloe and tea tree toner. I love a good toner, so I did customize my box with this toner. And it comes in a really nice bottle. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Ugh. Can't open it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, just a beautiful glass, like dark red bottle. So excited to try that toner out. If you don't know with toner and skincare, so first you cleanse your face, and then after you get all the makeup and residue off, I usually use micellar water after I cleanse it to make sure it's totally clean. And then you would use a toner after that before you start putting products on your face, like your lotions and serums and mists and that kind of thing. So the toner comes after the cleanse. So then I customized it with this Lashes MD eyelash eyebrow conditioner. It says it's an eyelash and eyebrow conditioner, but it's supposed to make your eyelashes grow. And you're supposed to see initial results in 3 weeks. So I've always wanted to try one of these because I just have like the thinnest, flimsiest little eyelashes. So we'll see how this works. I'm excited to try that. Then I got this Tarocco Sicilian Blood Orange foot cream. So you can never have enough foot creams, especially in the summertime. Excited to try that one. And then I got this beach mist. So what does it say? Shake gently before use and spray onto your face as desired areas of the body. It's supposed to be just like a refreshing mist. Yeah, we'll see. Let's try it out. Smells nice. Happy to have this. We have a pool. We live in Northern California, and I'm sure it'll be nice and refreshing to spray it on after like I've been in the sun for a while and my skin feels tight or something. So happy to have that. And then I think that's it. Customized it also with this Isaac Mizrahi shawl. Now they called it a kimono, but after I customized my box, I realized after watching videos, it's really more of a shawl. But still really cute. Great, you know, like stripes for the summer, for the beach. So kind of go like this. It's nice because it's kind of has like a natural place that you would go over your arms, and then it hangs down your back. So I thought this would be nice for either by the pool or again like at the beach or something this summer. So that is Fab Fit Fun. I'm loving it so far. Such fun stuff. Excited that I get to customize my box. I would totally recommend it if you guys are looking for a subscription box, or maybe you've seen it on Instagram, because I know it's all over social media, and maybe you've thought about doing it, but you haven't. Check it out. I'm enjoying it so far, and I know I'll have 2 more boxes. I'll have like a fall box and a winter box, and then yeah, I would totally want this again as a gift. So if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe and stick around, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.